Before you can do anything, you need to download the app. You can get this app on your Play Store or you can get it on your App Store. When you come to your Play Store, go to the search place here and search for Grok. Don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but just search for this. Leave the link in the video description anyway, so you can get that through that place. But and when you search for this is the one you should install. This particular one, this is the one you should install. So after installing the app, then you need to open the app. If it is your first time opening the app, they will ask you to sign in with your Gmail account. So you just have to sign in with your Gmail account. And after sign in, this is the interface that you are going to see. At the bottom side here, you will notice something. You can create a video, you can open camera, you can voice mode, and then you can analyze document. If you go forward like this, you can also see you can edit images right from this particular app. So from here, what we are going to do is to create our image first, and after creating your image, you can then turn that image into a video. Another sweet thing is that you can use voice under that image. I'm going to show you all of this, then you will understand that this is very powerful and it is completely free as of the time of recording this video. So I'm going to go over here where you see imagine. So that is where we are going to start creating our video from. So after tapping on that, what we are going to do now is to come down here, this area where you see type to imagine. That is where we are going to type. You can also upload an image by using this upload option, and you can get an image from your device and then you can recreate that kind of image. But I'm going to type in my prompt right from here, so I'll just enter in my prompt. So this is my prompt. I'm going to tap on send, and you can see it's going to start generating. It is very fast. Look at it. It has generated that image for me. It's generating 4 images for me. You can see the image. After I've gotten my image, I can open up the image. So let's say this particular one, let's say I like this one. I'm going to open up the image. This is the image. You can go ahead to download this image, but I'm going to show you something interesting from here. I can tap on here to download this image. So let me just download that image and save to my device first. Then now let's turn this image to a video so that you see how interesting this is. To turn it to a video, you need to come here where you see make video. So if you tap on make video, this website is going to start turning this image to a video. But that's not all, guys. After turning it to a video, we are going to add voice over to this video. Let's you can see it is very fast. As I was talking, my video is done generating. Let's play this video. You can see how interesting that is. Grok AI added sound effects according to what is seen in the image. You can see it is so sweet and nice. So if I want to download this, I can go ahead to click on this download option, and this video is going to be downloaded. Now